Here's the deal. You want the library news, and we've got it. Fresh every week, organic, quality library news. Here's what's going on this week in the libraries. Join us for a workshop celebrating Engineers Week, where you'll dive into Python programming and bring your ideas to life through a hands-on project. Designed for beginners and coding enthusiasts, this workshop will guide you step by step to create a small, functional project while learning Python's core concepts. Create with Python is happening February 18th at Discovery Park Library in room B112 from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. We'll see you there. Learn how to create visually compelling posters and effectively communicate your research and ideas. From impactful design elements to presentation techniques, this in-person workshop will guide you through the essentials. Perfect for students preparing for class projects, showcases, or conferences. The poster design workshop is happening February 6th at Discovery Park Library in room B112 from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Come check it out. Join us at the Media Library as we celebrate our first year at our new home in Willis Library. Enjoy refreshments and mingle with the Media Library team at a come and go open house on Friday, January 31st from noon to 4 p.m. We'll see you there. These lit picks are the cream of the crop. Do you have library questions? Well, we have answers. If you haven't yet, be sure to check out our Ask Us service. You can chat with us, text us, call us, or email us, and we'll do everything we can to get you the answer you need for your library question. Visit our Ask Us landing page, library.unt.edu/askus to get started. Need to borrow a calculator, ruler, or any other study tools? The Access Services desk has a collection of supply kits and other equipment that you can check out and use. Plus, we have a variety of accessibility items like C-Pen readers and sensory kits at the desk as well. All of this is available to you with your student ID, so be sure to visit the Access Services desk to learn more. Lastly, do you know who your subject librarian is? We have amazing faculty subject librarians who are dedicated to the different colleges here at UNT. They're here to help you with your research and make sure you have the library resources you need to be successful in your classes. You can find yours at library.unt.edu/subjectlibrarians. Well, that's all the library news that we have for today, so be sure to check us out next week for more information. And as always, check out our library website at library.unt.edu for all the resources available to you. See ya!